Good morning, everyone. I'm here to show you my Dollar Tree Wednesday project, and we had a lot of fun doing this, so I hope you go over and see the live video, but we'd like to do the project shares so in case you weren't able to finish watching or couldn't stay so long. And so this is mine. We got some fans from the Dollar Tree, and I did the white one. And these fans come with lace, just this one lace, either white or black. And then I applied the blue, very pretty blue behind it. All I did was sew it on. You got just a tiny bit amount right here to sew lace on, just enough. And then I put this pretty pearl trim around the edge, and then I put this trim on. It's very pretty, and I put the rhinestones on the tips of the trim, and then I applied some flowers, not too many. This one here is a cream colored satin that I'd made, and the blue satin with just a little piece of bling in the center. Then I put some embroidered satin flowers on it, and there's a little piece of the edge right back here, and another blue flower in the back. This one I put on, I didn't make this one, someone gave it to me. Very pretty, and a resin flower. Same thing on this side. And then I made a tassel for it, beautiful long tassel, and I just applied a bead cap at the top and a resin flower and tied it to the handle. So that's my project share. This is gonna hang on the wall sideways like this, so I will take a picture of it hanging on the wall so you can see it finished. So thank you for coming in this morning and seeing our project. Please visit Brandy, Canvascraz Creations, and Kathy Randall, who is Kathy's Cards, and Andrea Stever, the Midnight Crafter, to see how their fans turned out. I hope you come by next Wednesday. We're going to be at Brandy's channel, so please stay tuned for that. Another great project that we do from the Dollar Tree. So please hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much for coming in this morning. Bye bye.